Hello, my dear student of class 7. Good afternoon, everybody. How are you? Hope you are fine. Welcome to my class. These are the symbol of peace. This is olive leaves. Today, chapter 12, Bangladesh and International Cooperation. First, I have written one question here. What is the main reason of establishing different regional and international organizations? There are some issues which a country cannot solve on its own. In these cases, they require help from other countries or organizations. This necessity has given rise to the idea of regional and international cooperation, and accordingly, some organizations have flourished. Now, some international organizations. This is United Nations, logo of United Nations. Then WHO, WTO, World Trade Organization, FAO, UNHCR, ILO, International Monetary Fund, and UNWTO. Okay. So among these international organizations, today we will learn about the United Nations. This is the picture of United Nations. This is the flag of United Nations. And this is the inside of the United Nations, or the General Assembly of the United Nations. Now, what is the objective of establishing United Nations? Number 1, to ensure world peace, discipline and security, resisting all offending actions that threaten peace. 2, to ensure freedom and basic right for all human beings irrespective of race, caste, language and gender. 3, to ensure international cooperation in order to solve economic, social, cultural and humanitarian crises. And 4, to ensure freedom for all colonies and their people. Now, the structure of the UN. So, first here, General Assembly. Second, Security Council. Then Economic and Social Council. Then International Court of Justice. Trusteeship Council. UN Secretariat. This is the logo of UN. Okay. So there are 6 organs of the United Nations. Through these 6 organs, United Nations implements all its activities. So at first, General Assembly. So General Assembly is where member nations meet to discuss and cast votes. A president is elected each year. In 1986, it was Mr. Humayun Rashid Chaudhry of Bangladesh. Next, Security Council. Security Council is responsible for peacekeeping and defense. There are 5 permanent members: UK, USA, Russia, China, France, and Bangladesh has lent her soldiers and police for peacekeeping mission in Africa and elsewhere. Now, Economic and Social Council. Its aim is to improve economic development and end poverty, illiteracy, and unemployment. International Court of Justice. It resolves disputes between member countries of UN. In 2012, Bangladesh won its case against Myanmar about rights in the Bay of Bengal. So, Trusteeship Council. This council, which no longer meets, its purpose was to help new nation gain independence, but it ceased in 1994. Now, UN Secretariat. UN Secretariat handles the administration. The Secretary General is currently Antonio Guterres of Portugal. Okay, so that means all the members of the UN, they are the member of the UN Secretariat. Now, UN established on 24 October 1945. Present members 193. Headquarter New York. First Secretary General Trygve from Norway. Present Secretary Antonio Guterres from Portugal. So here the flags of the member countries. This is the flag of our country, that means Bangladesh. This is the picture of the first Secretary General. Now the present Secretary General Antonio Guterres. Now membership of Bangladesh in 1974. So after independence, Bangladesh has got the membership of United Nations in 1974. Official languages. There are 6 official languages are there. Arabic, China, English, French, Russian, Spanish. So any of the 6 languages, if used by someone inside the UN, is automatically translated into the other 5. However, English has predominance here. Veto power. Veto power means there are 5 permanent members in the Security Council. They have veto power. By exercising these power, anyone that means among the 5 members, so anyone can cancel or postpone, there will be postponed, P-O-N-D, postpone any proposal of Security Council. This is the mutual flag of UN and Bangladesh. Here the 5 members of veto. Now, role of Bangladesh in maintaining world peace. Bangladesh has been playing an active role in maintaining world peace since 1974. Our country sent its first armed forces in peacekeeping mission in 1988. In 2015 August, members of our Army, Navy, Air Force and Police were deployed in 50 missions in 40 countries. Bangladesh has sent a total of 1,57,050 forces to peacekeeping mission till August 2015. The people of Ivory Coast named their one busy road as Bangladeshi Road for the excellent contribution of Bangladeshi peacekeeper. Sierra Leone accepts Bangla as the second state language. Here are some pictures of the peacekeeping mission. These are the women troops. We can see all are troops of the peacekeeping mission. Now, position of Bangladesh according to year. So here, according to 2019, the position of peacekeeping mission, our country was in third position, 18 second position, 17 second position, 16 fourth position, and 2015 it was the first position, and also 14. Okay. Now you will watch one video.
আজ আন্তর্জাতিক জাতিসংঘ শান্তিরক্ষী দিবস। জাতিসংঘ শান্তি মিশনের সবচেয়ে বড় যোগানদাতা দেশ বাংলাদেশ। বর্তমানে 8টি দেশের 9টি মিশনে বাংলাদেশের 6,583 জন শান্তিরক্ষী কাজ করে যাচ্ছেন নিরলসভাবে। চলুন তাদের মুখে শোনা যাক সেসব অভিযানের কথা।
In terms of our armed forces, but also the country. Here we don't carry any our commercial side. We only carry the flag of our country. And this is our main moral. And that's why we are here. We are ready for anything. I know that I'm missing my boy. He will be a grown-up man. He will have many things to do. But actually, it is really emotional. And we are also habituated. We are trained for this. We are trained to sacrifice our life for this. Yeah, my baby was only 1 month. I left him. Actually, I left him on the 17th day because after that we had a lot of formalities to perform. Before the departure, we have to do a lot of formalities for the mission. So I have seen him on the last day physically on the 17th.
1988 সালে ইরান সশস্ত্র সহিংসতা বন্ধে নিয়োজিত হওয়ার মধ্য দিয়ে জাতিসংঘের বাংলাদেশ শান্তিরক্ষী বাহিনীর কার্যক্রম শুরু হয়। গত 3 দশকে জাতিসংঘের বিশ্ব শান্তি রক্ষার উদ্যোগে বাংলাদেশের অবদান অনন্য। নিরাপত্তা প্রদান থেকে শুরু করে সড়ক নির্মাণ, সহিংস দেশগুলোর সরকার ও জনগণকে সহযোগিতা করার নিরলস কাজের মধ্য দিয়ে বাংলাদেশের শান্তিরক্ষীরা সুনাম অর্জন করেছে। শিক্ষা, চিকিৎসা সেবা ও স্থানীয়ভাবে প্রশিক্ষণ প্রদানের মধ্য দিয়ে তারা অর্জন করেছে স্থানীয় জনগণের আস্থা ও ভালোবাসা। চলুন শুনে আসি সেন্ট্রাল আফ্রিকার দেশ কঙ্গো ও দক্ষিণ সুদানে কর্মরত বিভিন্ন দেশের শান্তিরক্ষীরা কি বলছেন।
They're doing a very good job and very professional and nearest of
What is Taliban?
and they are the first to come to the mission and they are helping the mission to build the roads, bridges, the camps, which are helpful for the mission. At the same time, is helpful for the local population and local government and also the government in general. They are winning the heart and the mind of the people.
What we need officers, first of all, for the senior officers is the leadership qualities. And I've been watching very closely, especially the soldiers, from their behavior, the military qualities, the way they dress, the way they behave in terms of respect of others, in terms of respect of diversity, in terms of respect of people.
Especially Bangladesh, you are sharing a lot, sharing culture, sharing the religion, making some more time together. I mean, either in the work or extra time, either their national days or our national days. We are like, we feel like we're living in the same country. We really feel like we have brothers here in the mission. It's really nice conception, unification, brother, also the faith right operation. It's grateful to work together, especially on the ground. I mean, we're in the field. They are like the Congolese people. They are like fed, so protected and safe. When, especially when the Bangladeshis troops on the ground. emphasize the big picture that I mean they feel this need to be Bangladeshi people to be আমাদের country.
এ যাবৎ বিশ্ব শান্তি রক্ষায় প্রাণ দিয়েছেন বাংলাদেশের 146 জন শান্তিরক্ষী। বাংলাদেশের এই আত্মত্যাগ এক গর্বের এবং অহংকারের উপায়।
So from the video we can understand the contribution of Bangladeshi troops. We should salute them for their great contribution to establish peace in the world. So everybody, today up to this, stay at your home safely. Goodbye.